Hello, everyone. Welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing part 6 of June 2023 STF Patreon for minis for your D&D, Warhammer Proxy, Battletech, anime figures, or video game figures of all sorts. We'll be, if you guys haven't, subscribe, like, share, check our Patreon Discord down the bottom. And if you want me to check out our Patreon, please leave it down in the comments below. And let's get started. So we got one-page rules. So this is like a tabletop war. They have their own rules, like one or two. Even though they said one page, there's like 2 pages in it. Uh, Tells you a lot. There's another like a. They have some stuff like a proxy with Warhammer Age of Sigmar, but if you don't, if it's Warhammer's too much, this probably a lot a cheaper alternative that you can use to play it. So we have June. So we looking at Necron proxies right now. So if there's any kind of Necrons you can't get, you want to proxy it. This is probably one of the best things you can do for it. Look at that detail. Is it all just this one dude? There we go. We have our looks like a human faction, the Imperial faction for it. So you can proxy a lot of these for it too as well. For Age of Sigmar. For there's a Griffin. There, know there's a Griffin Dog Hound, but it can be Griffin Dog Hound Riders, and so forth. And you have your carriage, and so as well. Base, and we have our. Looks like they finally brought out Tyranid stuff. So this is pretty much good to actually make proxies of for Tyranids. So you have your gargoyles. This is something that I'm going to probably print just for the hell of it as well. Hopefully that ones that's looks like Gene Stealer got the Rippers out. I think it's better looking one than the Games Workshop's gonna been releasing for as well. You have your wet. I don't know what this one is supposed to look like. I think these are just the screamers. Yeah, I gotta look at some of them and actually just look side to side which one I really do want and so forth as well. And here's your terrains. I think these are your welcome pack as well. And your ship. Oh, next one. Puppet War Miniature, another Warhammer proxies. I think last month we got the Batman, Orc Batman, so it's kind of cool looking. So this is another look of a Dreadnought. I think this is for Orc. No, this is for the Space Marine Dreadnought. So if you want to do some Dreadnoughts, this will probably be a good one. Remember, these are proxies. They're not going to be looking exact. Or Game Workshop might go after them. Some Game Workshop actually close a lot of the people down, but anyhow, yeah. So we got the old one we had previously, but this is a new one, and it looks a hell of a lot more better for it. I want to know if they're going to do some more. There's some Tyranids. I'm guessing they're going to release more out, but we won't know till later on. You might go back around and go check it out. Beastarian miniatures. If you're into Dark Souls or Elder Scroll, Dark Soul and Elder Scroll, not Elder Scroll. If you like Dark Soul types of game, because I forgot the newest one that came out, this is probably it. I think they're going towards goblins this time. Goblin Gato, yeah, they're going more for goblins. So we have the strong cast of Geomancer. So if you're into like dark type of DMing, or they have their own rules as well. Those would be good. Hey, you got the cabbage mushroom prop. Oh, I'm gonna print this sucker for my game. Because it's from Last of Us. I like the first one. The second one I did not really care for. You have your Goblin King. It's a big ass freaking thing for a Goblin King. Bugbear Enforcers. Goblin Raid Leader. Your Goblin Bloodseer. So these goblins are pretty big. Uh, I'll like them a bit smaller. Probably because for my D&D, I might just resize it just to make it a little bit smaller for my game. But these guys look pretty damn cool and vicious. Siege Troll. Oh, shit. It's going to be a lot of work to paint all these suckers up. And they'll have mushrooms and shit as well. This is going to be really interesting. We have the Goblin Spore Sour. See his booties. We have the Fungal Hermit. This is why I should print for my Fungus Among Us and your terrains. Okay, next one. Bite the Bullet. This is going to be another Diablo miniatures that they just released for it. Let me just scroll all the way down because they don't freaking want to do what they want to do. They don't have. You know what? We just watched a video of it. That's fine. Tim and Dario, Diablo, Ball, Mephisto, the Butcher. Forgot his name was from Diablo 3. But we have a lot. So this would be pretty cool. Mephisto's pretty cool as well. I do want to print them really bad. Problem is I don't have that much resin for it. And I just played Diablo 4 and I'm still playing. I'm almost level 62. I beat the game. But this is going to be one of those games one of those things that I really do enjoy playing a lot. And hopefully I'll be able to do a lot more for it. The Butcher's cool. That freaking sucker pops out of nowhere and chases my ass around. Some demons, pet lore. And you have your cow from your cow level from Diablo 2. I wish they brought that back. Those fucking fuckers. I hate those fuckers on Diablo 2. Your goats. And they also have a kid as well. Goat kids. And Dario. So yeah, that's it for Bite the Bullet. Next is Arcana Minis. If you're into D&D and you want a lot of props and you want to ship, this is probably one of the things that you probably want to have. I'm guessing this is going to be what? June 2, Part 7. I think this is it. So you have your Spelljammer ships. If you're going to play Spelljammers, you have your Gnome Wizards, your Ivan Sari Pirate Rangers, Dwarf Bard, Halfling Rogue, Khazar Fighters, Kraken Class Frigate, and it comes apart in multiple ways. So I am going to have to get some more magnets. I'm going to print these. You have your Warforge Pirate Captain or Shard, Thiefling Void Weaver, your Void Worm. It's going to be kind of weird. It'll be kind of cool. So yeah, that's pretty much what you're going to be getting for June. Lost Hobbyist. This is like a joke type. I might get it because it is from Spaceballs. That is freaking hilarious. He's like comb. I forgot comb the desert, and it actually bring a freaking comb. You're combing the damn desert, so this would be kind of cool. I don't know why I have a pod racers on it. So this is something that I do want. Okay, Realms of Paths. Looks like we have. I think this is another version of Blood Bowl that they do for these. Some of these are a mixture of dwarves and lycanthropes as well. So yeah, these are like their version of Blood Bowl. I never really got into Blood Bowl, and I know of it, but I do want to like try it out. But I don't know. But the minis are very cheap. Invictus miniature, another sci-fi type. So July you get kaiju. For June you can get a riding squig with an orc, Boy. It's actually pretty good. I think I might get that for my thing. You have your May, you have your Captain Harlock ship, and so forth. That's for May. This is gonna be for June, so I might actually get this. Tell you the truth, just to get that squig in the orc. Uh, I don't mind getting that as well. All right, last one, STL miniatures. Looks like we got the Fraught City. The wait is over. We are live, so I might have to go check them out for their Kickstarter. Their Kickstarter is pretty good as well. That's April. I really wish they stopped doing these fucking Now I would look at their pictures. So we have demons, and we have looks like musician store, and then demon spawn for it on those tops. I don't know why they do this shit. I don't know. I'm not paying $1, but either way, that's it for we have for today. Hope you guys do enjoy it. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord, and if there's anything, just leave down in the comments. Thank you guys very much. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.